So this is gonna be the new project. Pretty really cheap. You know, the 300C, 5.7. Yeah, man. So it's all completely shit. Interior is pretty. It's aight, you know. Aside from the seats being all teared up and stuff. But you know, these are the projects on it, man. Has the little screen touch, the little screen, not touch, the little screen fucking radio thing. You know, one of these things are missing, but you know. Another thing is that let's see if it works. I don't think it will. The guy told me his the radio, you know, has nav, of course, but DVD error. So apparently he told me like the guy has 9 discs stuck in this shit. So I better take this out. You know, I don't know what this guy was doing. Hella burnouts, but obviously some engine problems that I just got. And you know, I got that back end sensor thing. You know, honestly, I was impressed by this car. I had a V6, and it did not have this many things. You know, the memory seating and the steering and all that. I didn't have this. Obviously, I had one of those V6 that, you know, radios and stuff. But mine doesn't have the damn the damn digital speedometer, man. I have to use this shit, but honestly, it doesn't matter. It tells me the temperature and all that stuff, but it's all good, you know. Sometimes I just switch it around, so it don't matter, man. Just for me to, like, you know, to do things for it, man, to fix it. I don't know, to try to make it my whip or whatever.